Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how I take my hair from this to this. First, I'll show you the things that I need. This is a curling wand. It's like that. What is that? I don't know what because I want big barrels. This is a 6-in-1 volumizing and teasing brush. So we have this black side, it's got the thin bristles. Got this side, which is the detangler. And then the white bits here, they're good for styling and smoothing. And then on the end over here, there's this like pointy part, which I will use for parting. This is from Silk Oil of Morocco. I use this teasing side along with, can you see that? This is the Silk Oil of Morocco volumizing liquid and a couple of these clips. What am I gonna do? I'll do my real way. There's the show way, which is how you do it like properly, and then there's my real way, which is how I'm gonna do it right now. So I just toggle between each side of this brush. I take the curler, put it sort of like here, because I found that when I would curl right from the bottom, it would be really bottom heavy and then it would be quite flat up the top. Okay. Like so. And then I'm gonna take some from here. I don't take too much. I take probably this much per bunch, and then I leave that curler in. I used to use my straightener as well, but I just couldn't get the curls right, so I reverted back to the curling wand. Look at that! It amazes me.
Now I'm gonna be here at the front, pop that on there, and then all the way to the top.
I might just clip that up. So now we're gonna make our way here. Then we're gonna go here. That's a fair bit of hair. Oh, it's already kind of there. What should I start off with first? Teasing. Going to section from like halfway. Can you see? Going to spray it near the roots. This smells so nice. You can go super crazy in how much you want to tease your hair, but we're not going to go 100% crazy today. We're just going to go maybe like 50% crazy. I have a new appreciation for people who do hair tutorials. It's quite hard. Can you see? I'm just doing like, whoa. Then I'm going to go up here. Doop. Teasing it near the roots and using a little bit of product to hold that in. In the past where I've used hairspray, you can end up with a bit of a dilemma at the end. It gets all tangled and knotted because, you know, hello, teasing. But this product here, it holds it, but without the stickiness. Yes. Can you see the difference already? Ooh, I can see the difference already. Now we're gonna do the same over here. Now that I can see how it's sitting, I'm gonna take my curler again and then now hairspray. Wow, I'm pleasantly surprised. I think I winged it. My girls, it worked. I was like, oh, I don't know if I should be making this tutorial because really it doesn't always work for me. But honestly, I've tried different tools and different products. And what I've discovered is that it's really a combination of the tools and products. My favorite things so far though, really, is this curling wand, like an actual curling wand and not a straightener. These two things have made the world of difference in terms of teasing. Let me give it one last comb. Doop, doop. It's quite nice, isn't it? I hope you enjoyed this episode. By the way, if you want to get your hands on this 6-in-1 volumizing and teasing brush and this Argan liquid volumizer, I've put the link to the website from which you can purchase this from. It's called Silk Oil of Morocco, and they've been nice enough to give me a discount code so that you can get 10% off any product that you purchase from their website. So that's pretty good. That's good. You can get like gift packs and things like that. But these are my favorites. La 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 la. I should do one of those slow beauty montages. How do you do that?